This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the car and entering the sync diagnostics. Turn the ignition to accessories. This powers the sync module, but keeps the engine off. Make sure paired phone info is noted because reset will remove devices. Once done, press and hold the phone and media buttons on the sync panel for about 10 seconds to force a soft reboot. This step clears transient errors and lets the system enter a stable state before a factory reset. Next, perform the factory reset from the sync menu to restore defaults. You go to Settings, then Advanced, and select Master Reset. The unit asks you to confirm because this deletes paired phones, radio presets, and custom settings. Confirm and allow the system to run through the reset. This can take 2 to 5 minutes as modules reinitialize. Make sure the car stays in accessories or running so power is stable. Interrupted resets can corrupt settings and require a repeat. Finally, repair your phone and verify functions like calls and audio. Once sync finishes rebooting, follow on-screen prompts to set language, time, and Bluetooth devices so things work as before. If the reset fails or sync locks up, disconnect the battery for 10 minutes or inspect the sync fuse. This forces a deeper power cycle. If problems persist, write down error messages and contact a dealer. Providing error details speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.